Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. It's Martin Mi5, and today's video is about Neo and a couple other things, so stay tuned. Don't watch to the end. You're gonna want to see. So let's talk about what Neo is doing right now. Let's go to the one-day chart. I know today, actually it's technically Monday. It's 12:04 a.m. here in my state, and I want to see what Neo is gonna do today. Let's look at what Neo's been doing for the last 5 days. It's been trading. It's been hitting like 530, 534, 536. It's been having resistance at those levels, at those numbers. Hasn't really broke past that. Not lately. Let's check about the month. Okay, so a month ago, yeah, we were definitely much higher. So unlike a lot of the EVs, Neo's just, I hate to say it's going down. That might be a good thing though. You can look at it in a good way that you can buy more Neo stock at a cheaper price, lower your dollar cost average, start scooping up some stocks. If you guys are planning on holding this for a long time, which a lot of you are, buy at this level. That's what I would say. Because what's the worst case scenario? Say it doesn't hit 100. Say it goes up to 50. You guys are still going to make, 40, 43, 45 profit gain off of each share if it hits 50, if you buy at this level. Yeah, we're looking at 509, so if it goes up to 50, that's just good business. Now, do I think it's the best stock to be buying right now? No. I'm going to keep an eye on Neo, don't get me wrong. I'm going to watch it. But in my own stock portfolio on Robinhood, I've been having a different stock on there that I've been paying attention to. And it kind of caught me by surprise. So you guys want to see it? Let's go. And that would be XPeng. This stock really kind of ran away from me, and I'll show you guys. I put a limit buy on November 8th. We're in the 11th now, and I put it for a limit price of 416. Obviously it never went through because the stock only continued to increase up to 15.15, which is really good, and it seems to be mimicking what Neo did in 2020. Remember, just because you caught a fish at your favorite fishing hole one year doesn't mean you're going to go back and catch that same fish again. It might be in a similar location, but it's going to be a different fish in a different spot. And I think XPeng might be that different fish in that different spot. So you guys, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Check out other stocks as well. You can hold your Neo stock. By all means, do so. I mean, I wouldn't go sell now if you're, you bought it for $5 and it's at 509. No, that would be dumb. But XPeng, I put that 1416. I really underestimated its trajectory. So let's look at the week. Even just 1 week, it went from 1220 to 515. That's way more than Neo's climbed. Let's look at the month. Okay, in October it was 1249. And it did come back down quite a bit to 1015, but it did recover nicely and it's back up in this higher range now. Let's look at the 3 month. I'm willing to bet in August this thing was probably $6 or $7 a share. Let's see. Yep. August 21st it was 706. It was even at $6.97. Let's just call it $7, and even little under 7. So can you imagine if you guys would have bought, I don't know, 100 shares of XPeng, maybe 200 at that price, and now you'd be sitting at 15.16. That'd have been a great return. So you got within the 3 month period, 3.5 months, or whatever it may be. And That's pretty substantial. So I'm watching Xpeng closely. I'm going to re-enter another order, a limit buy order, and this time I'm going to have to jump up a little bit, and I hope that when I do it, it's not going to start nosediving again back down to the 12 something range. It's never good to buy a stock when it hits its peak. I mean, yeah, it might continue to go up, but it could also go down. So I think I want to do a good swing trade on this, is what I'm planning. Not just a day trade. I want to hold this thing for a couple months, maybe a few months, and see how high it's going to go. If we can get Xpeng to be, let's just say, $25 even, that will be pretty substantial gains for all of us if we buy in now. But like I said, be very careful. Don't put in a real big position. If you have $1,000, use maybe $250 to start stepping in slowly. You want to ease into the hot bathtub one toe at a time. You don't want to just plunge yourself in there. You got to be careful because, like I said, it could start going back down. I want to show you another thing. Give me just a second here. I bought Tesla at what I thought was high. My average cost was $268.58 per share. Now, lo and behold, it's $336.48. And I only bought 2 shares. My regret is I didn't buy more. I was just, like I said, testing the waters because this is kind of an uncertain market right now. And I want to make sure I do the right thing for myself and for you guys as well. But I was correct in my estimation, and just on those 2 shares I made $135.64 already. Now I'm hoping it's not going to just come like right back down. I'm hoping not. Let's look at his performance a week ago. See, 243. See, I did buy kind of high because it went back down to 243, but it just kept going back up again. Look at a month ago. I bought at 268. So I got somewhere around that area. And that was October 25th. So it was about 268, 269, something like that. So I wish I had bought here just a few days prior, really. That's October 28th. This 23rd. It was at 215. I wish I had got in on it then. 3 months ago. Let's look at it. 197. So it wasn't a real fast uprise, and then it kind of went back down again, slumped down there. Then it started really picking up in October, and then from there it's just kind of accelerating. So I think that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to share a couple of things with you guys. If you guys really truly believe in NIO, keep buying. Right now would be a great time to buy. You're not going to lose. I don't think it's going to go back under $5. If it does, not by much. And I definitely think it's going to pass, 10, 15, 20 for sure. There's debates about whether it will go to 100 or even if it's going to go bankrupt before then. I don't know. But start looking into these other stocks a little bit. Definitely check out Xpeng. If you guys haven't put any money in Tesla yet, be careful because I don't know if it's up near its top yet. Like I said, I don't know about necessarily buy right now or wait till it comes back down a little bit. But it's definitely doing well. These 2 stocks are doing well. Almost all the EVs are doing well except NIO. NIO's still down in a little $5 range, while most of them are going well past that, 3 times, 4 times that. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. How many shares of NIO do you have? How many do you plan to buy? Are you going to be looking into some other stocks? Are you done with NIO? Let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified of my daily uploads. I'm going to be uploading all kinds of stuff. I'm going to show you guys what to do if and when you do become a millionaire with Neo, and what I would do at that point. So, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.